It's important that you place the factory edges of the track together. This way you know they are perfectly square and will not cause any damage to the cover as it's opening and closing. The next important thing is that you want to file the track. And you want to file these edges right here, and that will smooth them down. You want to make sure that you file the edges of the track where they meet. You want to round these edges off, and that way it will help the glider move back and forth across the track without getting stuck. And you just round the edges off. There is a bottle of paint. You want to use this paint to cover up any place you either make a cut or you file. And it's important that you do this so that the raw metal there is now protected from corrosion and any damage from salt water